Guys, I just connected ClawBot to my YouTube, and this is actually crazy. I would say this is the first real ClawBot skill that make it feel like it's a real human that works for you. And this one will be YouTube Manager. And in this video, I want to show you how to set it up. To set it up, you first need to go to Google Cloud, set up account, enable billing. It is super simple. I don't want to show it in this video just to make it shorter. Once it's done, go to your Google Cloud and search for YouTube API. So this is the one. And here you need to enable it. I already have it enabled. So here you'll see the enable. Once it's enabled, go to your credentials, create new credential. You need to use OAuth client ID. Here you need to say web application, name it whatever you want, ClawBot 2. Here you need to add your redirect URL, which will be localhost, most likely 8080, or if you set up differently, if your ClawBot is not on 8080, set it up differently and it will still work. Now, click create. You'll see the credentials, download them, and then you'll see your new API key, download credentials and add it to your ClawBot root folder. Okay, when you go to your ClawBot, simply tell him in plain English to basically create a new skill that will be YouTube analytics skill, and explain that you already have your credentials for the skill and you uploaded the credentials to your bot folder, and simply send this message to him. Okay, it's still working. Okay, in my case, for some reason, he thought that I created something wrongly, but I did everything correctly. I set up OAuth 2.0 credentials. It's not a service key account. So let's explain him that everything is done correctly and ask him to double check again. I'll say something like this. I'll show him the address of my file and simply ask him to help me with the rest. Now, this one is our OAuth URL. So it simply looks like sign in with Google. It's the same. I will not show it to you here. But you need to go to this URL, click this URL, you'll see your Google accounts, select the one with your YouTube channel, and lend the access. Important thing, most likely it will show you something like this app may be dangerous. Skip all the warnings because this is your app and it's 100% not dangerous. And that's it. At this point, your ClawBot is connected to your YouTube. Now, let me show you how it works. Here are a few examples of what it can do, but let's say, can you tell me what is my best video in the last 30 days? Let's see. As you can see, he found my best video. He actually sent me top 5 videos, right? Is it top 5? I think so. Most likely, yes. And he did it correctly. He has access to likes, comments, views, whatever he wants. And this is just one example. You can be creative about it. You can set it up the way you want. You can do so many cool things with it. And one of the other cool tools that I already set it up on my account, on my ClawBot, is to link your YouTube analytics to Heartbeats or cron jobs. Heartbeats will be checking your analytics every hour, which is a little bit too far, but if you need it, you're welcome to set it up. In my case, I added one cron job, which will take a snapshot of my account for the last 30 days every Friday. So every Friday, 6 p.m., my ClawBot will send me the stats about my channel and will give me some ideas and tools and some potential next steps. Now, what's really important for this one is that ClawBot saves everything to the memory. So the ClawBot learns from your mistakes, from your data, and this is truly amazing. So this is just basic setup. You can go to Google Docs about YouTube API and read all possible options how you can use it. And so you can set up this skill for your ClawBot and customize it for your needs. Truly feels like YouTube Manager. It's basic, but every day it's getting better. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you watched till this moment, please let me know which skill do you want to set up next. I have like 200 ideas what I can do next. So if you have any ideas yourself, let me know in the comments. And like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.